this is pre-calculus. We're gonna study double angle formulas. Previous video, we studied so many different formulas for sine, cosine, tangent. So we really focus on the double angle formula in this video. What is double angle formula? Double angle formula is, look at this left side. Angle is, guys, here, 2 theta. Here is a theta and theta, u twice. So how can find the double angle formula? You studied some formula, theta plus theta, then make 2 theta, right? So sine theta, cosine theta, cosine theta, sine theta. Multiplication order doesn't matter. That's going to be 2 sine theta, cosine theta. So we are looking for a double angle. We can use angle theta and theta, find the trigonometry of a double angle. Here's the same thing. Cosine 2 theta is cosine theta plus theta. This one is cosine theta times cosine theta minus sine theta times sine theta. That's why you have cosine theta, cosine theta, cosine square theta, sine theta, sine theta, that's sine square theta. Then how can find this one, guys? Here is only sine term. So we're gonna change cosine in terms of sine. For how can find this one right here, guys? We're gonna use Pythagorean identity. So cosine square theta is 1 minus sine square theta minus sine square theta. So which meaning is 1 minus sine square theta minus sine square theta. This one is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. That's you have this one. So double angle for cosine, you can only use sine. Same thing is another example, guys. You look at this one. This one is in terms of sine. This time we're gonna change this one. This one is 1 minus cosine square theta. So this one is cosine square theta minus 1 minus cosine square theta. Distribute to negative cosine square theta minus 1 plus cosine square theta. So cosine square theta, cosine square theta, 2 cosine square theta minus 1. So this is very important double angle formula. You're going to use it a lot. Tangent gonna be same thing. So tangent theta plus tangent theta 1 minus tangent theta times tangent theta. So that's you got the double angle formula for tangent. So first let's practice how gonna use double angle formula. So this time sine theta they give to 2 and 3. That's quadrant 2. So quadrant 2 is right here. Quadrant 2 is cosine is negative, sine is positive. So we are looking for a sine 2 theta, which meaning is 2 sine theta cosine theta. So we already know sine theta is 2 over 3. How can we find the cosine theta? Here is second quadrant. So sine theta gonna be 2 over 3. This one is definition of trigonometry is y over r. So you say y equal to x equals 3. R equals 3, sorry. So we need to find the cosine. Cosine theta is x of r. We need r. How can we find the r? We know the y, we know the r. So r square is x square plus y square. X square plus y square is 2 square. R square 3 square. So 9 is x square plus 4. X square is 5. X equal past negative square root of 5. But x is second quadrant. X is negative square root of 5. Y equal to R is 3. So cosine theta gonna be negative square root of 5 over 3. So you find the sine theta, 2 sine theta now. Here is 2 times sine theta, 2 over 3, cosine theta, negative square 5 over 3. So here is 1, denominator, 3 times 3 is 9, 2 square root of 5, 4 square root of 5, Sine is negative. That you find the sine 2 theta. Okay? How about cosine 2 theta? Cosine 2 theta gonna be cosine square theta minus sine square theta. What is cosine theta? You find it right there. Negative square root of 5 over 3 square minus 2 over 3 square. So this one is 5 over 9. Guys, remember that. This one, how can find it? Negative square root of 5 over 3, negative square root 5 over 3, negative, negative, positive, square root 5, square root 5, 5, 3 times 3 is 9. So then you're going to have subtract 4 over 9. So this one is 1 over 9. That's cosine 2 theta. Guys, make sense? How about tangent? We don't need to use double angle formula for tangent because you already found the sine, cosine. So we're going to use quotient identity, which meaning it's sine 2 theta, cosine 2 theta. You can use double angle formula for tangent, it's fine. So tangent 2 theta is negative 4 over square root of 5 over 9. Cosine 2 theta is 1 over 9. Here is complex fraction, negative 4 square root of 5 over 9 times 1 over 9 over 1. So this one is going to be cancelled out. That's the negative 4 square root of 5. Let's practice double angle formula problem, guys. You can do by yourself. Try to this one and check your answer with me later. Okay, let's try this one. I'm gonna try this question a little differently, okay? I wanna use Pythagorean identity, find the cosine value this time. So you can pick any method you can use. So sine is 4 over 5, quadrant 2. Here is cosine theta is negative, tangent theta is negative. So we have find cosine. Why? So sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta, cosine theta. That's what you need, right? Cosine theta, Pythagorean identity say cosine square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. Cosine theta is square root 1 minus sine square theta, positive, negative. Cosine is negative, that's put the negative. So now, here is negative square root 1 minus sine is 4 over 5 square, which meaning is negative square root 1 minus 16 over 25. This one is minus square root 9 over 25. Square root 9 is 3, square root 25 is 5, negative 3 over 5. I just use different way to find it, guys, okay? That's you're gonna find it. Let's go next one. So you find the cosine, right? So sine 2 theta is 2 times 4 over 5 times negative 3 over 5. Here is 1. So you have negative sine 5, 5, 25, 2, 4, 3. That's the 24. That's, you're going to find it. Did it make sense, guys? Okay, let's do cosine 2 theta. This one is cosine square theta minus sine square theta. So cosine square theta, negative 3 over 5 square minus, here is 4 over 5 square, negative 3 over 5, that's the 9 over 25, minus 16 over 25, that's going to be negative 7 over 25. Okay? All right, tangent 2 theta. Tangent 2 theta is the reciprocal identity. Sine 2 theta, cosine 2 theta, or you can use tangent, double angle formula too. So negative 24 over 25, negative 7 over 25, negative, negative, positive, 24 over 25 times 25 over 7, that's the 24 over 7. That you'll find it, guys, okay? Now, how are we going to use double angle formula in the calculus class? So let's talk about double angle formula first, guys. Double angle formula say cosine 2s equal 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. So I'm going to move 2 sine squared theta is left side. So 2 sine squared theta equal 1 minus, you move the cosine 2 theta is right side. Cosine 2 theta. Then you're going to find the sine squared theta is 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 2. What this formula tells you here, square power is 2 reduced to the power is 1 cosine. That's what they're saying about this formula, guys. Let's talk about one more. Here is cosine 2 theta is 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. So from the double angle formula, so I'm going to move 1 is here. So 2 cosine squared theta is cosine 2 theta plus 1 divided by 2 cosine squared theta is cosine 2 theta plus 1 over 2. So here is the power is 2 reduced to power is 1. That's we say power reducing formula, okay? Tangent square theta is coming from, guys, here. Sine theta over cosine theta square. So this one is sine square theta over cosine square theta. So this one we're going to say 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 2. 1 plus cosine 2 theta over 2. That's you have 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 1 plus cosine 2 theta. Okay, let's have one example about this power reducing formula. This one is, guys, you look at the power here, here is the power is 4. So they said first power, that's the no power of cosine. That's we're gonna reduce the power is right here, guys. So what are you gonna do here? Sine 4x. We're gonna say the sine, first the start point is sine square x times sine square x. That's the start point. Okay? So sine square x gonna be power reducing formula say 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. Exactly same thing. Then denominator 2 times 2 is 1/4, right? So I'm gonna put it outside. Okay, inside I expand it. 1 minus cosine 2x, 1 minus cosine 2x. This is going to be 1 minus cosine 2x minus cosine 2x plus cosine squared 2x. Okay? So here you have 1 minus 2 cosine 2x plus cosine squared 2x. So now you're going to see here is degree 1, here is degree 2. So we have to one more time. So 1 over 4, 1 minus 2 cosine 2x plus one more time 2, 1 plus cosine 4x. Here is the formula, say here is a 2x, here is a double, guys, okay? 4x. So here gonna be 1 over 4, same denominator. All the denominators is 2. So here is gonna be times 2 times 2. So you have 2 minus 4 cosine 2x plus 1 plus cosine 4x. Okay. Now we simplify. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 4 cosine 2x plus cosine 4x. All power is 1. You're going to write everything in terms of cosine.